most dangerous version of a man is the one who disappears for 6 months and works on himself. No parties, no distractions, no excuses, just pure, unfiltered focus. The world loves to watch people fail, and they love to talk about those who are trying. But when you stop talking and start doing, you become a mystery, and mystery creates fear. While they are busy checking their phones, you should be busy checking your progress. While they are chasing temporary pleasures, you should be chasing permanent power. This isn't about being arrogant, it's about being essential. You have to reach a point where your absence is felt and your presence is respected, but that respect isn't given. It is earned in the dark, in the hours when everyone else is sleeping. Stop seeking validation from people who haven't even figured out their own lives. Their opinions are not your reality. Your only competition is the person you were yesterday. If you want a life that 99% of people don't have, you must do what 99% of people aren't willing to do. Enter your ghost phase. Cut the noise, delete the distractions. Build your body, sharpen your mind, and fix your finances. When you finally reappear, don't say a word. Let your success make the noise. It's time to become the man you were always meant to be. Subscribe to Empower Waleed and join the elite.